often are you using text formulas in QuickBase? Welcome to QuickBase Junkie. I help QuickBase builders learn fast to deliver more. My guess, not as often as you could be. Text formulas are one of the most powerful formula types in QuickBase that I find myself using over and over again for myself and for my clients as well. In fact, there are over 30 different functions that are possible to use in text formulas. And if you don't know how to use them, you don't know what you're missing out on. And that's why I'm introducing Mastering the Text Formula, where I break down how to use all these different formulas and then show you powerful different use cases and ways that you can use them, not only in formula fields, but also in Kanban reports and other report formulas, color coding, and custom data rules. These formulas are so functional and so versatile, you don't know what you're missing out on. Head over to quickbasejunkie.com/training to learn more about mastering the text formula.